Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to see 6 abs workout which leaves your abs in pain. The only thing we need is 2 water bottles. We are going to use these water bottles throughout the workout. Let's start with the first workout. In this we need 1 water bottle. Raise both your legs and hold the raised leg position as shown. Grab the water bottle with both the hands and try to touch the legs. While coming up, engage and contract your abdomen muscles. The main part is the downward phase. In the downward phase, don't let your torso to fall back immediately. Have a controlled movement by contracting your abs in the downward phase. Have full contraction and control movement in the abs during your upward and downward phase. Another thing is don't arch your spine or back in the downward movement. Have a flat back while coming down. While bringing the hands back, don't touch the floor. Stop your backward movement by the abs contraction and without leaving the contraction and tension in the abs, come up. Avoid your spine extension and don't let your lats to work by bringing your hands too much back. Do it for 15 to 20 counts. After finishing one set without rest, move on to the second workout. There is no rest between each workout. For the second workout, we need 2 water bottles. In this workout, raise your torso and bring the water bottles under the raised leg. You have to keep one leg on the floor. The leg which is on the floor should be kept very strong by pressing the ground with the backside of your heel till the raised leg reaches the floor. By doing this, you will engage your abs very well. This will be working if the mind and the working muscle connected. Bring the bottles back to the position. Your hand should not touch the floor because if you go down too much, you will engage your lat muscle instead abs. Same like previous workout, stop your hand movement in the backward phase using your abs muscle and without letting the tension, lift the torso to reach the bottles under the raised leg. This workout will also have some impact on your oblique muscles if you have a muscle contraction in slow and controlled manner. The next workout is a little advanced to the previous workout. Grab 2 bottles and start the workout by raising both the legs. The raised leg should be held in the same place throughout the workout. While coming up, lift your torso and bring the bottles under the legs. Go back to the downward position with the contraction in the ab muscles. Don't let the contraction while coming up. Squeeze the abs while lifting the torso. Let's move on to the fourth workout. In this workout, sit in the slight lean back position by bending your legs. In this position, the abs and the core muscles will be engaged automatically. To add intensity, we are going to do some movements. Bring the bottles in and out of your legs without any compensation in the lean back position. This will give you some interest in the workout. Have a slow and controlled movement throughout the workout. The next workout is modified Russian twist. Sit in the lean back position by holding the bottles. Extend your arms straight. Start the workout by opening the hands, that is abduct and close it. And then twist your torso without flexing your elbows. Keep your elbows in full extension throughout the twisting movement. You will engage your oblique muscles very well in this movement. The last workout is my favorite. This works purely on your oblique muscle. In the side position, bend the leg which is in the downside and extend the upside leg. Hold the bottle with a full elbow extension. Come up lifting your torso and squeeze your oblique muscles and go back. Keep other hand on the floor for support. Don't lift your torso very high. Lift it till the contraction in your obliques achieved. Repeat it on the other side. Do it for 15 to 20 counts on both the sides. Does this abs workout will reduce your abdomen and side fat? Frankly speaking, no. Only proper diet will make this achievable. The workout will always target the muscles in that area, not the fat. That's all for today's video. We'll see you in another workout video. Have a happy and healthy lifestyle.